How to securely install a C500 Pro keysafe, also applicable for a P500 Pro keysafe. Remove the keysafe from the box. Set the instructions aside for later use. The instructions leaflet includes the mounting template on the reverse. Remove the keysafe from the packaging. Open the weather cover using the plastic tab and remove by unclipping from the hinge at the bottom. Open the keysafe and remove the masonry screws from inside. You now need to code your keysafe. For video instructions, please refer to our coding video. Tools required. Where to install. Place the keysafe on the wall and find a flat location. The keysafe should not rock. Ensure the keysafe is at least 6 inches away from the edge of the wall. The keysafe must be fitted away from any obstructions. Make sure the holes are in the center of the brick, not over the mortar line. Drilling into the wall. Place the mounting template onto the wall in the suitable install location and ensure it is aligned using a spirit level. Mark the 4 holes through the paper template onto the wall. Mark the depth of 70 mm from the top of the drill bit. Drill a 4 mm pilot hole to test the brick hardness. Test the masonry screws in the pilot holes. They may fit in softer bricks. Enlarge the holes using the 5 mm masonry drill bit if the screw did not fit. The masonry screws should now fit in the holes. Clear out any brick dust from the holes by blowing into them. Securing the keysafe onto the wall. Using the T30 Torx screwdriver, screw the keysafe onto the wall. This must be done using a manual screwdriver to prevent over-tightening. Evenly tighten each screw to ensure the keysafe remains aligned. Do not over-tighten them as they may snap. The screws should only be pinch tight. Finishing up. Hand the keys on the internal hook. A key ring is not required. Close and lock the keysafe by turning the dial 180 degrees anti-clockwise. The keysafe lid will rattle slightly, which is normal. Check the keysafe is working correctly by entering your code. Clip the weather cover back onto the hinge at the bottom of the keysafe. Installation complete. For more information, visit keysafe.co.uk.